Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this dark and glittery look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette. I'm going to start out with this color Birch and blend that on my brow bone. I'm really loving this Sultry palette so far. It has all these beautiful shimmers, but it also has some really nice matte colors that I really wanted to play with today. Next, I'm going to take the color Dystopian and I'm going to blend that into my crease and on my lid, leaving the center clean. Do you guys tend to like more shimmery colors or mattes? Let me know in the comment section. Then I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer and cut out my crease. I definitely tend to lean more towards the matte side just because I find them more easy to wear and blend, but it always has to have that little touch of shimmer for me to really love it. Next I'm going to take the color Twig and blend that where we cut the crease. Then I'll take the color Dystopian again and blend that on my lower lash line. For a shimmer in the corner of my eye, I use the color Rose Quartz. And for the drama in this look, I'm going to use the same concealer and cut out a wing. Then I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Adhesive and just follow that wing. Then I use their loose glitter. This is in Blazing Sunset, and I just tap that right over where we put the glitter adhesive. For a little bit of an extra pop, I'm going to use Urban Decay's Heavy Metals Glitter Liner and Catcall into my crease. For lashes, I'm using Sumptuous Lashes in style Beijing, and if you want 10% off on these, check in the details for how you can do that. For my lips, I'm going to be using Kat Von D's Matte Lip in Lolita. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.